The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Burnet County until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 10 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Burnet, Bertram, Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Lake Victor, Sunderland, Shady Grove, Watson, Joppa, Briggs, Mahomet, and Inks Lake State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.